Y'all, another TikTok shop update, and I just did my first $1,000. It's only let me do April 7th through May 2nd, but I've been getting like 100 to $50 a day from someone running ads. You can see it's at 816, and they've been running the ads on my video. I got like $800 from that. I've gotten like another 50 from finding some Urban Mate, all the things. Let's talk about the update. So I think they actually start running ads on my that video today. So it says I made one sale for $86. No commission showed up yet. So I'm guessing that's the walking pad or something. I don't know what I have that's that expensive, but besides the walking pad. However, y'all know I was running from the conspiracy style videos because they're a lot of work, and I just recorded three and took me like 2 hours to edit them and all the things. So I'm gonna spam that. Like that's what's making all the money right now. So I'm spamming that. I'm making that, but I'm in a good place because one, brands are reaching out to me. I literally bought this on Amazon. I don't know if I showed y'all this product, and then I returned it. I actually bought the wrong one. It was I bought the wrong one twice. I bought the first one and it had no cords in it, and then I bought one with cords in it. I think I had the right one, and the one on TikTok has the wireless charger too, and I didn't notice that until after. So I returned it, even though that's my plan anyway. Buy things on Amazon, I returned them, and the brand reached out to me and sent me it for free. So I have so much products. Like 3 products came today. I bought these in the store because I knew I could make ads with them. I use wipes to wipe my booty. When you poop, you should do the same thing. Decoder has been sending me stuff and not really requesting videos. I got another book. So the brand sending you stuff coming in is beautiful. This brand said they're going to run ads. I just posted 2 videos today. I'm going to send them to them. Hopefully they do. And I'm going to spam conspiracy videos, conspiracy style videos, and hopefully that just takes my things off. I would love a few more brands to run ads for me. This brand's running an ad for me. I thought my video was really good. I copied a viral video that I really liked and really enjoyed the script to, and it's not working, so I'm sure they cut the ad off too. But if you can get an ad, someone to run ads from you from jump, that's where you can make your money from the beginning. And it's doable. Like I said, I've only been posting for 1 month before brands start coming to me, and now I get like 14 invites a day. And some of it's stuff I actually like or want. Like I got this lung detox, which I don't smoke, but I had a hookah phase bad, and I'm like, people act like hookah is not the same as like smoking other stuff. And I'm like, it's probably the same, if not worse. I'm like, let me detox my lungs just in case, you know what I'm saying? So I got that and a bunch of stuff. I have like 10 packages coming. I got a swimsuit coming in, some workout clothes. I used a coupon sample to get some. I got a fanny pack. Like I'm so excited. I'm like in a groove. So hopefully the I want an organic though. I want organic videos to go crazy. I want some more organic sales. The $1,000 I made was all from our brand running ads for the most part. Besides like what, $20 or 40 like around like $50 of it. So I remember I had $20 first month or the first 2 weeks, whatever it was, and then I had my first $20 day, and then the brand reached out and they grew my ads from there. I was like, cool, we're good. So I feel really good about it though. I just want more viral things, and I think spamming controversy, conspiracy should work. I've heard they do get violations though, so I only made 3. So let's see how the 3 react, how they act. Hopefully not. But a lot of the conspiracy pages I've been looking at or following haven't really posted recently. So I'm like, did they get banned? Or some of them post like once a month because the videos go so viral. They have so many viral videos that's like they don't post every day, which it takes a while to make those videos. But I don't think I would probably post like 3 times a day if I was doing those. And I see pages that are only that. And they're racking up the sales. So I'm about to, like I said, I got one more to edit. And there's one that's going viral right now. And it took me forever to find pictures and clips like that man had. I don't know how and mine aren't even as good as his. But I did it, so I hope that goes viral. It's the only one, it's the most viral video right now. I got the daily virals for free. I'm probably gonna keep it because it let me transcribe YouTube videos and search a word, and then it takes me to where the timestamp is, because like like Trump clips and for the conspiracy videos, you have these clips, and the videos are like, I'm thinking the clips are already on YouTube. No, there's like 30-minute long videos. You need to find where they at. But daily virals helps you do that, so I'm like, that might be something I keep. I was gonna get rid of it, but so I made my first $1,000 within what, 5 to 6 weeks of TikTok Shop. So more than I made with trading. I'm really in a downer with trading, but I think it's just social media with trading. I have to stop. I'm gonna keep posting YouTube videos on here. I have to set and forget like I used to. I'm gonna try to get $300 a day with one micro, the smallest you can risk in NQ, which will be holding my trades for hours, like all day, like trading the 2 hour and 4 hour chart and just holding it, kind of like Jack trades us, which is what I used to do. And I started trading live, and then it's like I don't. Yeah, no, I'm gonna set and forget going about my day in the gym, and then manage your trades as the day goes on if I have to. But hopefully, I'll just set a take profit and it'll go, and that will help me be better. And I'll get back on social media on that page. I'm still on the TikTok shop page. Um, when TikTok shop explodes and trading explodes, so yeah. But I feel good. I feel great. You see, having a better energy. You get better. Like, it's just experience. Like, remember, I was scared to post videos, and now I'm editing videos and doing all this stuff. And I'm like, whoa, I'm a content creator for real now. 3 packages came in today for samples to review. It's like, whoa. So you should start TikTok shop, y'all. Y'all you should. It's not your sign. Start TikTok shop. Even if it's just for the free samples. Even if it's just for brands running ads, like extra money. Like, it's just such a great thing. It's such a great thing. Even if you don't make a bunch of money, it is a nice thing. But I'll see y'all on the next big accomplishment. Hopefully my first viral video. But yeah, see y'all.